Hi class, it's Mrs. Kendrick. Welcome back. We are going to be looking at what do animals need to live. We've been talking about animal habitats, where different animals live, why they live there. We learned a lot of the reason that animals live in a particular habitat is because their food is there. So all animals need what to live? It's the same thing that we need most of the time. Food, right? We all need food to eat, and so do animals. But do animals all eat the same foods? Let's explore that. Remember, we're scientists, and so we are going to be asking questions and finding the answers. We want to figure out, do they all eat the same foods? Take a minute and ask your scientist partner what they think and share your ideas with them about whether all animals eat the same foods or not. Okay, what did you come up with? I have a few animal friends here I would like us to look at. So let's take a look at these animal friends and see what they eat. Each of the animals we're looking at here has something in their mouth, their trunk, or their beak. They're eating, but they're not eating the same things. What are they eating? Let's take a closer look. So what is this animal, my friends? It's a big animal. It's an elephant. Can you say that word with me? Elephant. Let's look at what the elephant is eating. Elephants eat roots, grasses, fruit, and bark. Elephants are also herbivores. That's the word down here at the bottom, herbivore. Can you say that word with me? Herbivore. Herbivores describe an animal that only eats plants. All right, what animal is this? It's a toucan. Isn't that a funny name? Toucan. Say it with me. Toucan. And what is the toucan eating? That's right, fruit. He's got some fruit in his beak. What else do toucans eat? Well, they eat fruits and berries, rodents, lizards, and insects. A toucan is an omnivore. That's the word down here at the bottom. That means it eats plants and animals. Okay, let's look at our third animal. What animal is this? It's a sea turtle. Say that with me. Sea turtle. And what is this sea turtle eating? Well, he's underwater in the ocean, on the floor of the ocean. He is eating seagrass. Turtles also eat algae, cuttlefish, and crab. Sea turtles are omnivores as well because they eat both plants and animals. Okay, so let's compare what these three animals eat. Are they the same? Are they different? Remember, last week we learned that the elephants live in dry desert areas. And the toucan lives in the rainforest. And the sea turtle, they live in the ocean. Each of these animals has a different habitat. Could a sea turtle get seagrass and food that it needs if it lived in the desert with the elephant? I don't think so. Take a minute and share with your science partner what you have uncovered as a scientist. You used your eyes to see, and you recorded the information in your brain. Now you're going to use your mouth to share your ideas with your science partner. Okay, so for our exit ticket, I want you to go onto your Chromebook, open up to this Google slide Miss Kendrick sent you, and I want you to match the animal with the food they might eat. Good luck, and we'll keep learning more about life science, habitats, and the foods that our animals eat.